That is not her eye.
Go down. Down more. A lot. Do more.
There you go. Be careful, don't poke her eye out. Oh my goodness.
My hair's right there.
Go down, there you go.
Okay, now for the brush. Where's the brush?
Brush.
Here. I'm so scared.
That's her ear.
My ear, damn it.
That's her ear, silly. There you go.
Oh, no. Okay, now for the glitter.
Glitter?
Hey, you can't look. Oh.
You gotta help her out with the glitter.
Okay, what's glitter? This glitter. What glitter? This glitter.
The heart glitter.
Oh, here you go. I got it. Now it's down it.
Oh boy.
Oh God, this is gonna turn out really bad.
Where's that gonna go?
On the eyes.
Oh.
Oh, that's my hair. Sorry. Maybe on the forehead. No, 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 no.
No.
There's more makeup.
Oh my gosh. Don't ever wear makeup like that. Oh my. Okay, it's enough glitter. Lips, lips.
No, the baby. Let's do it. First we do this. Okay. You can't lift it. You can't even move this.
Trainer lips are moving. Disney trips taking a break this weekend. Back on Monday. 7:05 Monday morning.
Good. No, not on her teeth.
Stop smiling.
Uh-oh.
I want to do lipstick. No, I want to do lip gloss. No. Can this go on your face? Can you wipe it off?
Yes.
Baby, I'm so scared.
Cameron, lower.
No.
Cammy, feel with your other hand where her mouth is.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
That's... Oh my. Okay.
Okay,
That's
we're
good.
done.
Okay, wait. Let's see how it looks.
Look at how I am.
Wow. That's some